Hello children, today we will discuss about 4th standard 6th chapter, the Western Desert. Let's start children. The exercise part. In the exercise part, first we will discuss checkpoint. Give one word answer. The largest desert in India. Which is the largest desert in India children? That is nothing but a Thar desert. Second question, major ingredient of dishes in Rajasthan, gram flour. Third question, known as Pink City. Which state is called as Pink City children? Jaipur. Is it? That is Jaipur. Next, fourth question, country that shares boundary with Rajasthan, Pakistan. Fifth question, ship of the desert. Which animal is known as or which animal is called as ship of the desert? Camel. Is it children? Next, choose the correct options. The main question A, choose the correct options. The first question is, the Western Desert lies in the dash part of the Indian subcontinent. North, west, northwestern. Which is the right option? Northwestern part. Next, to the east of the Thar Desert. The eastern part of the Thar Desert lies in the Vindhyas, Aravalis, run of Kutch or run of Kutch. Which is the right option? Aravalis. Aravali Bettagalu athva Aravali Tappalu. Third question. The Thar Desert is home to different species of cats, owls, reptiles. Which is the right option? Reptiles. We can find kinds of reptiles in Thar Desert. Fourth question. The Indira Gandhi Canal ends near Jaipur, Jaisalmer, Bikaner. Which is the right option? Jaisalmer. Fifth question. The dash or tie and dye textile of Rajasthan is famous all over the country. Bandhani, Jharoka and Churma. Which is the right option? Bandhani saris. Have you seen Bandhani saris? Ask your mama. They will show you how Bandhani saris are. Next, main question B. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. One of the important features of the Thar Desert is its sand dunes. Are you remember? Sand mounds and sand dunes. Can I show the picture? Sand dunes we can found in desert only. See here, sand dunes. Is it? While explaining the lesson, I already shown that sand dunes, sand mounds and the sandstorms, sand hills. There are so many difference in between sand dunes and sand storms. Sand storms. Next, second question. Dash is a famous dish of the state. Dal Bati Churma is a famous dish of the state. Next, third question. Dash and dash are the folk dances of Rajasthan. Ghumar and Kalbelia. Ghumar and Kalbelia are the folk dances of Rajasthan. Fourth one, dash and dash are some of the musical forms of the state. Bhopa and Chang are some of the musical forms of the state. Next, main question C. State whether these statements are true. If it is true, you have to write it in this box T. If it is wrong, if it is false, you have to write it F in this box. First question. The Great Indian Desert is located in Eastern India. Is it correct? No. False. Next, the Great Indian Desert is a fertile land? No. False. Third one, the desert has a short summer? Yes. Next, fourth question, the climate of the desert is extreme. Yes, exactly. Why? Because of the scanty rainfall. Next, fifth question, the Thar desert receives very little rain in a year. Yes, almost most of the desert receives little rain. Exactly. Next, match these columns. Bandhani, just now I told you, Bandhani sarees. Is it? Column A, main question D. Column A, column B. First I will read column A. Bandhani, Jarokha, Bhopa, Odhni, Kalbelia. Column B, dance form, dress, tie and dye textile, wooden craft, musical form, Bandhani, where I have to match children, Bandhani, tie and dye textile. Jaroka, where I have to match wooden craft work. Bhopa, where I have to match, that is one type of musical form. Odhni, where I have to match dress. Kalbelia, where I have to match, it is also one type of dance form. Is it, children? Kalbelia. Just now I told you, Ghumar and Kalbelia are the folk dances of Rajasthan. Just now we have discussed, no? Next, the main question E. Answer these questions. First question, why do the sand dunes in the desert shift? Why? Because the sand dunes. Why? Because the sand dunes in the desert shift and take various shapes and sizes due to strong wind blowing over the desert region. The sand dunes in the desert shift and take various shapes and sizes due to strong wind blowing over the desert region. Second question, why do some desert animals have light colored fur? Desert animals have light colored fur to help them to keep cool in the hot and dry climate. Third question, write the names of the states which share their boundaries with Rajasthan. Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. These are the states which share their boundaries with Rajasthan. I'll repeat it once. ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು? ಗುಜರಾತ್, ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶ್, ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್, ಹರಿಯಾಣ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಂಜಾಬ್. Fourth question, what makes survival of plants and animals difficult in deserts? Why? Because the survival of plants and animals is difficult in deserts because of the extreme hot and cold climate, as well as the scarcity of water in the region. First point is extreme hot and cold climate. Second point is scarcity of water in the region. Why scarcity of water in the region? Why? Because here little rainfall, means desert experience little rainfall. Fifth question, describe the climate of a desert. What type of climate we can found in desert or most of the desert experience? The climate of the desert is hot and dry because of the scanty rainfall, because of the little rainfall. On a hot summer day, the temperature can go up to 50 degrees Celsius. Just imagine. In winters, it can be less than 10 degrees Celsius. The days are very hot and nights are cold. Next, fifth question, what are the main occupations of the people of desert? The main occupations of the people of the desert are agriculture and rearing of animals such as sheep, goats and camels. Seventh question, which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Why? As we know that camel is known as the sheep of the desert because it can move easily on the sand for a long time. They have padded feet and store fat in their hump. Because of two reasons, or because of these two reasons, camel is known as the sheep of the desert. Next, how do people irrigate their lands in Rajasthan with the help of Indira Gandhi Canal? Are you remember? Okay. People use water from wells and tanks to irrigate their lands. But some of the parts of Rajasthan are irrigated by the Indira Gandhi Canal, one of the biggest canal projects in India. One of the biggest canal project in India. It starts from the river Satluj and ends near Jaisalmer. Think and answer. The question is, in desert areas, the days are hot while nights are cool or cold. Why? Yake? The climate in desert areas is extreme cold and hot. Why? Why? Because the sand in the desert heats up very fast and cools down very faster. So the days are very hot and the nights are cold. The second question is, why do the people of Rajasthan eat more lentils? Why? Because the people of Rajasthan eat more lentils. Why? Because of the vegetation is restricted. Here the vegetation is restricted. Because of this reason, the people of Rajasthan eat more lentils. I will show once all the answers briefly. Can I show? Thank you, children. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a good day.